have reached the last section of the course. This course, I have really enjoyed it. Hopefully you are going to take benefit from it as well. This particular section is basically going to talk about what you call as examination day techniques or tips for the examination day. The first and foremost thing which needs to be remembered, if you are going to be underslept, you are never going to be able to do well. So sleep well before the exam day. You have to take at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep, ideally 8 hours of sleep, before sitting in the exam. Because, if you are going to be, relaxed, if you are going to have, a relaxed body and a relaxed mind, it is going to help you in performing to the best of your ability. People who do not sleep, who use all these different kinds of tonics or medicines to keep themselves on their toes or to avoid sleep, it's not going to help beyond a certain limit, and it has very bad effects on the body. So try to avoid all different kinds of medicines or drugs or any kind of stuff, and just sleep naturally for 6 to 8 hours so that you can perform really well. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next clip.